But ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to take more time and more. With me, as you know myself, as you know me, I'm called Ozoom Kapita. And here I have MC Otugles. Otugles is also here with me. And on my left hand here, I have a young Ohangla artist called Janam Ayego. Janam Ayego, thank you very much to be with me here. MC Tugles, you also thank you very much to be with me here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to welcome MC Tugles to talk can you talk to the congratulations?
Thank you very much, MC Ozoom Kapita.
Yes.
When I want to talk Martin.
Yes, yes.
You know me. I know everybody. Jathum.
Yeah.
Talk.
Yeah. Bwana, how are you? Welcome Jathum to the audience, Bwana. MC Jagan and MC Tugles.
Yes.
Bwana, you must be, I will send you take away to the congratulations, Bwana. Nani, MC Janam artist.
Talk in mother tongue. The language you are wearing.
Can you return yourself chen kidogo?
Yeah, go ahead, kamano.
Yes, or take time to beat asante.
Leo Ozoom Kapita.
Yes, thank you.
MC Tugles.
Otugles. Yes.
Koro.
Yeah.
Abiro kailo ngane janam jaego.
Janam jaego.
Nyakwar joko jango berke kwa.
Nyakwar joko jango berke kwa.
Kata the Prince of Peace.
The Prince of Peace.
Kora go thum maro Ohangla.
Yeah, Ma is also is a Ohangla artist.
Ange thombe chiko kwenye.
Is having 9 songs.
Atemo kwa yo penyu mer subscribes na.
He just request subscriptions for our people. So to carry up the an upcoming Ohangla artist. Yes. So thank all people who see Kipindi. Yes. No, take this message to the people.
To the media people.
To the media people. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and the WhatsApp. You come out and support Janam Jaego. Janam Jaego is an Ohangla artist.
The parents of people.
The music is smart.
Yes, the parents people.
So don't fail to subscribe, and don't fail to comment,
don't fail to
and
dance.
Fail to dance, and don't fail to share. May God bless you as you do the
prison.
And may God bless you as you share. May God bless you.
Yes.
As you dancing.
And
please may God bless you as you subscribe for my YouTube channel MC Ozoom Kapita and MC Ozoom.
My YouTube channel MC Ozoom Kapita.
May God bless you.